Hello friends, welcome back to Kamal Infotech. In this video we are going to learn how to use Excel formula in MS Word document. Yes, if you want to use Excel formula in MS Word, then by using these steps you can work with formulas in MS Word document. So before starting the video, I am suggesting you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, share this video as much as you can. So let's get started. So I have pre-filled some data in this worksheet. I am selecting this data, copy. Now opening the Word document, click on home, left side click on paste, click on paste special. From here select Microsoft Excel worksheet object, click OK. Now the Excel data is imported here. To add formulas, double click on this table. Now it is navigated to MS Excel. Here you can enter new data, click on formula, auto sum, click on sum. Now you can see it has automatically selected a range of values. Press enter. Now you can see the calculation is done and you can see all the results are here. You can also use average. Again click on auto sum, click on average. You can see the values are selected, but we don't need this 250, which is total of values. So I am removing this and selecting to E2, pressing enter, and the average of value is here. Press escape. Now you are in Word document. Now you can see the calculation is done and table with formulas and calculation is prepared in MS Word document. So by using this method you can use calculations and formula in MS Word document. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please hit subscribe button and share this video as much as you can. Thank you very much for watching this video.